In this video, I will show you how to type delta y over delta x in MS Word like this one. This is the fastest way for power user to insert mathematical symbols using the math autocorrect codes. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on the equations. An equation editor box will be open up. Now type the backslash and type delta and then press space. This converts the text into the delta symbol. And now type y and forward slash. That creates the fraction division. And now type backslash and delta and then press space again. And now type x and then press the space one final time. Word will automatically stack the fraction to delta y is perfectly centered over delta x. So select it, go to the home and increase the font size to 24, remove the italic and you can change the color even as well. In the second method, you need to click on the insert, click on the symbol, click on the equations and click on the fractions and click on the delta y over delta x, and that's it. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.